In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage fixed assets in QuickBooks Online Advanced. First, let's start by getting into the right area of QuickBooks. Go ahead and log into your QuickBooks Online Advanced account. Once you're in, look over to the left navigation panel. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Advanced Accounting. When that menu expands, click on Fixed Assets. This will open the dedicated Fixed Assets module, which is where you'll track things like vehicles, equipment, and other long-term items your business owns. Inside the Fixed Assets page, you'll see a list of assets if you've already added any, along with their key details. This is your hub for adding new assets and managing existing ones. QuickBooks can sometimes detect when you've recorded an expense that looks like an asset purchase, such as a large equipment buy. In those cases, it may automatically create a draft asset for you to review and approve, which can save time and help keep your records consistent. Let's walk through how to add a single fixed asset. On the Fixed Assets page, look for the button that says Add an Asset and click it. A form will appear where you'll enter all the important information about this asset. Start with the asset name, something clear and descriptive that you'll recognize later. Then enter the purchase price and the purchase date. You'll also need to provide the useful life of the asset, which is how long you expect to use it in your business, and choose the depreciation method your accountant or tax advisor recommends. Next, select the related accounts. This usually includes the main asset account, the accumulated depreciation account, and the depreciation expense account. These links are what allow QuickBooks to track the value of your asset over time. If the asset has already been depreciating before you're entering it here, you can type in the accumulated depreciation to date. If you're starting fresh, you may be able to let the app calculate depreciation for you based on the settings you choose. Once everything looks correct, click Save to add that asset to your list. If you need to add several assets at once, you can do this more efficiently. On the same Fixed Assets page, open the drop-down next to Add an Asset and choose Add Multiple Assets. This brings up a grid that works a lot like a spreadsheet. Each row is a separate asset, and you'll fill in the same types of details for each line. When you've entered all the assets, review your information for accuracy, then select Save to create them all in one go.